Want to turbocharge your Chrome download speeds and make your browsing experience smoother than ever? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every step you need to maximize your download speed in Google Chrome. Whether you're downloading files for work, school, or just entertainment, these simple tweaks can make a real difference. By the end of this video, you'll have a faster, more efficient Chrome browser and more time to enjoy the things you love online. So let's dive right in. First things first, it's always a good idea to make sure your browser is fully up to date. This might sound basic, but updates often include essential performance improvements and bug fixes that can impact things like download speed. To check this, open Chrome and look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Click that, head down to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates here. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. It usually only takes a moment. Once the update finishes, you'll need to relaunch Chrome. Think of this a bit like rebooting a sluggish computer. Sometimes, all it takes is a fresh start to kick things into gear. Now, with Chrome freshly updated, we can fine-tune some performance settings. Go back into the 3 dots menu in the corner and choose Settings. In the side menu, find the section labeled Performance. Here's where we can adjust how Chrome uses memory. You'll see options like Memory Saver and Balanced. Select Balanced for a good mix between speed and efficiency. This tells Chrome to optimize memory usage without slowing you down. Then, look for another setting called Speed, and ensure Standard Preloading is enabled. What does this do? Preloading helps Chrome load pages and files faster by anticipating what you'll need next. It's like giving Chrome a little head start, so your downloads kick off more quickly. Next up, let's address extensions. Extensions are super useful, but too many, especially outdated or unused ones, can bog down your browser and even affect download speeds. While you're still in Settings, find the section for Extensions and take a look at what you have installed. Any that you don't use or recognize, just hit Remove. Don't worry, you can always reinstall them later if needed. Keeping only essential extensions helps Chrome run smoother and reduces potential conflicts during downloads. Alright, here's a more advanced trick that can really make a noticeable difference. Go to Chrome's search bar and type in Chrome/flags. This brings you to a page with experimental features. Don't be intimidated. We're only changing one thing. Use the search field at the top to find parallel downloading. When you enable this feature, Chrome splits your downloads into smaller chunks and grabs them at the same time. It's sort of like having 3 friends help you carry boxes instead of doing it all yourself. The process is simply faster. Enable parallel downloading, then relaunch Chrome one more time to activate it. And that's it. After following these steps, you should see a genuine boost in your download speeds, whether you're grabbing small files or big installations. If something didn't work right away, don't worry. Sometimes changes take a bit to kick in, and you can always double-check your settings or repeat a step if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have down in the comments. I check those often, and I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips, tutorials, and ways to make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.